guys, welcome back. I have a really exciting toy review for you today. It is the all new season 3 Shopkins blind baskets. Yes guys, the all new Shopkins. These are the ones everybody has been waiting for, and I have some to show you. Let's have a look at the packaging there. We get 2 Shopkins in a basket as normal, and you can look out for limited edition Cool Jewels this time around, guys. And we have different baskets as well. I do have 5 of these to open and show you, so let's open our first one and see what we get inside. Here are our new shape and colour baskets. These are the glittery pink plastic kind. These are actually really cool. Love the new design, and they do come with bigger handles as well. So very cool. Here is our new season 3 collector's shopping list. We have as normal, common, rare, ultra rare, special edition and limited edition, but this time our finishes are Choc Frosted. We get polished pearl and Cool Jewels as well. We have our bakery Shopkins. We have hats. We have shoes. And we also have sweet treats as well. Let's turn over the shopping list and see what else we have. Fruit and veg. International food. We have homewares. We have stationery. Now stationery, those are our special edition, guys. You can see it is blue there. So the stationery are the ones to find, it looks to be. And then the even rarer ones we have are limited edition ones, and there they are this time, guys. Brenda brooch looks really cool. We have Roxy ring, she looks cool as well. So some very cool limited edition ones to find this time. Let's carry on with opening all of these, guys, and we can see what Shopkins we get at the end. first Shopkin from bakery, it is Queen of Tarts. I kind of thought this was a very special one because it is shiny, but this is just a common. Next we have an ultra rare. It is Molly Moccasin, and this is from Shoes, and she is one of the ultra rare Choc Frosted Shopkins. Again from Shoes we have Lizzie Lace-Up, and she is a rare. On to Sweet Treats, our next one is Macaroon, and Macaroon is a rare. And staying with Sweet Treats we have Ginger Fred, which is a common, but it is a very chunky Shopkin. Our next Shopkin from Fruit and Veg, it is Peachy, and Peachy is a common. With Fruit and Veg again, we have Sweet Pea, which is another common. Again, staying with Fruit and Veg, we have Wild Carrot, which is another common. Next up from International Food, we have Susie Sushi, and Susie is a common. And finally from International Food again, we have Taco Terry, which is a rare. So there they are guys, the all new Season 3 Shopkins, lots of awesome characters to collect and add to your collection, and some very cool specials and ultra rares, and of course limited editions as well to hunt down. I would like to thank once again Moose Toys for sending these in so as we could show all of you awesome toy fans out there, and keep an eye out for these hitting stores very soon. Well, thanks for dropping in and watching this Shopkins 3 video, and do check in next time to see more videos just like this one.